Next, we will demonstrate the basket weave stitch. Interlace the warp and weft threads. Create a texture like a woven basket. Let's demonstrate this. Use 6 strands of floss, color number 10. Bring up at the left edge of the small square. Stitch 1 to the right. Bring up from the position below. Stay close to the first line. Bring down on its left side. Stitch 2 lines in each small square. Don't pull the floss too tight. Each square needs 2 lines. Keep the lines close together. Don't space them too far apart. Then, use 6 strands of floss, color number 4, to weave. Bring up at this position. Skip 1 line, weave under the next. Follow this skip and weave pattern. Pull the floss. Create a crossing effect. If you thread incorrectly, bring the needle back from below. Rethread it. Bring down here at the bottom. Bring up right next to it. Same as the first line. Stitch up along its path. Adjust the floss. Keep lines close together. Bring down at the top. This forms our first line. Look at the second line on the left. Bring up on the second row to stitch. Creates an offset with the first line. Bring up here again. Skip the first row. Bring up from underneath. Cross the second row. Through the third row. Cross the fourth row. Creates an interwoven effect. Bring down here. For the second line, follow the same method. Like the first line, stitch up along its path. Pull both lines together. Bring down at the top. Third line matches the first. Follow this pattern. Bring up here. Thread in sequence. Can stitch 1 at a time, or all at once. Both methods work. Use what's convenient. Basket weave needs neat alignment. Keep all stitches even. Makes the design look better. Can use different colors. Creates gradient effects or contrasting colors. Perfect for woven textures. Doesn't need high skill, but requires patience. Bring down the final stitch here. Use color number 10, 6 strands for the outline. Bring up from the bottom. Stitch forward once. Keep the tension loose. Bring up at the center. When outlining, stay close to the basket weave. Follow the square's outline. Complete with stem stitch. Final stitch goes down here. The basket weave stitch is complete. Let's look at the finished result.